Trixie, and I am 26 years old. And my life had problems after I married my marvelous husband, Jake.
What's up?
Whenever he would be snoring, I would never be able to get any sleep, and I would have bags under my eyes just like pillows. I would always try to go get a midnight snack. Nothing. Until we found baked in Seattle. My husband shall fill you in on the details.
What's up? My name is Jake and I am 29 years old. As my wife already described, we had problems. All the snoring, no midnight snacks, but most importantly, on the treadmill working out for me. I would always try to go, but no sugary snack to keep me going. It was so boring, I gained weight on the treadmill. Until we found baked in Seattle full of marvelous energy. Now whenever I try to work on the treadmill, I just munch on a chocolate cheesecake to give me more energy. It's supposed to be like that.
And whenever I want to get a midnight snack, I munch on an orange slice.
Wow!
I love baked in Seattle. It is just like a slice of heaven that came down and blessed us. It was a true miracle indeed. We love baked in Seattle.